It's wash day and today's focus is strengthening my hair, and a range that does just that is the Matrix Instacure Builder Bond. Firstly, going in with the Mighty Bonds shampoo and concentrating that on my roots. This range has been infused with citric acid and squalane, which is incredible at strengthening damaged hair from the inside out. Next up, I'm going in with the Mighty Bonds mask. This again is going to focus on strengthening my hair, but also conditioning, adding shine and smoothness. All things that bleached and damaged hair lacks in. Another thing I have to say is, oh my god, the fragrance. I wish you guys could smell through my phone screen right now. It's got a beautiful, fresh, florally, fruity scent. After leaving the mask on for 5 minutes, I went in with the Mighty Care conditioner, and then I rinsed that out and popped on my microfiber hair towel. Gave my hair a brush through, which, can I say, the brush just glided through my hair. It felt so incredibly soft. There's actually a fourth product in this range, and it is a leave-in balm. I highly recommend always using a leave-in product for your hair. This particular one does everything the rest of the range does, but with the addition of protecting against frizz and heat styling. How incredible does my hair look? You've got to love a hair wash day. My hair looks, feels, and smells incredible.